a good report for NFP or maybe CPI, I still expect that the price of Bitcoin might likely retrace a little bit before it goes back up to a 66K region. Okay, so as for tomorrow, that's on the um 4th of September. I pray the 4th of September, the Eurozone, they're expecting a PPI, the producer price index, and the producer price index is measured by this is an index that measures the change in prices received by domestic producers and domestic producers of commodities in all stages of processing. So I expect volatility print in the area of 1.103 down to 1.09 for euro. Yes, I expect that for euro. I expect that for euro, and it's at exactly 10 a.m. tomorrow. So that is for euro USDT. Euro USD is on an ascending triangle, is on a rising wage. Sorry, euro USD is on a rising wage, and when I was looking at the chart, I noticed that 1.106 happens to be the area where it's been ranging on 1.106 to 1.107, and I expected it to drop like it happened this morning. I have seen that we are trading at 1.103. Yeah, so but that's not enough. There's a supply zone, a strong supply zone. Even if your euro USD should begin to go up from here, there is going to be a very strong zone you shouldn't underrate at 1.11956, yeah, to 1.12512. In case you're on a long and then price of euro get to those zones, you should take profits. Yeah, you should take profits. And as for me, I'm entering a short position. I'm entering a short position. I'm sorry, I'm entering a long position. I'm not going to ride it short, even if the news is negative tomorrow for Euro USD. I'm not going to ride it short. I'll hold on for the price of Euro to drop down to the region of 1.057. That's a psychological zone, or a strong demand zone at 1.07051. And then I watch to see that there is a change of character and then a break of structure, and I'm going to take it a ride up to that region of 1.106 again, and then 1.11 once again, and maybe take some profit and then leave it to um, go up maybe much higher from where it is. But just know that euro is on a rising wedge and it's retracing bit by bit, and then the support I've mentioned so far, we've broken the support at the region of 1.10430, and we are looking at the next support, which is at 1.09750, and then the third strong demand zone I mentioned earlier is at the region of 1.07051, before the one of 1.057. That is for euro USD. Now take note, there are some dates you shouldn't underrate, don't underestimate. In this month of September, we're looking at the non-farm payroll that is to come up on the 6th of September. I think today is 3rd, and then tomorrow we are looking at tomorrow is the 4th. That's when the PPI is going to come out for those of you who trade the euro USD. But then the CPI data too, we're looking at it coming out on the 11th of September 2024, and then the FOMC meeting that's going to hold the FOMC meeting that is going to hold on the 18th of September. So do not take these three dates for a joke, because those are going to impact the market, are going to impact the trades and your chart, and then the rest of them. Please take note of that. Let's quickly jump to the Canada. That's the CAD USD. Please, the Bank of Canada is going to take their decision on interest rate hike, either high or low, on the 4th of September, exactly 2:45 p.m. Canadian and Nigerian time. So please do not joke with this. For those of you who trade the CAD USD, currently CAD is on a side range. Yeah, it's trading sideways. It's hitting support resistance. I looked at the 1 day time frame and the 1 week time frame, and then I find out that um there are some news that is going to impact, that's going to affect the price of CAD USD in less than no time. On the take note of the date, 6th of September, at exactly 1:30 p.m. there's going to be an unemployment news, and then on the 4th of September, yeah, on the 4th of September, I also, that's tomorrow, there's going to be some interest rate hike decision, high or low, be determined by the body that is in charge